Now we are coming to the next topic, molecules. So what are molecules? Molecules is a group of two or more atoms combined together by attractive forces. So what are molecules? It's a group of two or more atoms bonded together by attractive forces. Example for a molecule: CO2, carbon dioxide. This is a molecule of carbon dioxide. Here what can you see? Here you can find the atoms of carbon as well as oxygen, right? How many total number of atoms? How many atoms are there? 3. Means it is a group of atoms bonded together by the attractive forces. And also molecules are the smallest particle of an element or compound that can exist freely and exhibit all the characteristics of that particular compound. And can exhibit all the characteristics of that particular element or compound. Means what? See, if suppose I am taking a molecule of water, it's H2O. Here in the molecule of water there are atoms of hydrogen as well as atoms of oxygen, right? But whether individually will hydrogen exhibit the property of water? No. Similarly, will the oxygen individually exist show the characteristics of water? No. But when they combine together in the ratio H2O, this one will exhibit the properties of water. That is why it is told as smallest particle of an element or compound that can exist freely and can exhibit all the characteristics of that particular element or compound. Okay. Now, what is the third point? See, molecules can be formed by atoms of same element as well as atoms of different elements. So, for example, molecules with same atoms. See, molecule of hydrogen H2, molecule of oxygen O2, molecule of phosphorus P4. Followed. In all these molecules, you can see the atoms are of same element. Now, molecules formed using atoms of different elements. Okay. Molecules with different atoms. What are the examples? Molecule of water H2O, molecule of carbon dioxide, okay, molecule of sulfur dioxide. In these kind of molecules, you can see atoms of different elements are combining together. Okay. So, these types are known as molecules of elements, and this here in which two or more atoms of different elements are combining together to form molecules of compound. Clear? Now we are coming to the next topic, atomicity. Okay, so what is atomicity? Atomicity refers to the number of atoms present in a single molecule of a compound, element or any substance. So what is atomicity? It refers to the total number of atoms present where? In a single molecule, of element, compound or a substance. Okay, which means, what is the meaning of monoatomic? How many atoms will be there in one molecule? There will be one atom in one molecule. What is the meaning of diatomic? How many atoms will be there? Di refers to two atoms in one molecule. What is the meaning of triatomic? Tri refers to three atoms in one molecule. Now, what is tetraatomic? Tetraatomic means four atoms in one molecule. Okay, similarly there are different cases. So as in general we refer to those which contain more than three atoms as polyatomic. So polyatomic means greater than 3. The number of atoms will be greater than 3. Okay. And in most cases, generally, the metals are monoatomic. See, for example, sodium. How is sodium written? Na. Sodium is not written as Na2. The molecule of sodium is Na, means it is monoatomic, means only one atom. Then potassium, it's written as K, right? How many atoms? Only one atom. See, what is oxygen? It's written as molecule of oxygen is O2. How many atoms are there? 2. So oxygen is diatomic. Okay. Now, what is P4? P4, phosphorus. It comes under polyatomic, greater than 3. How many atoms are here? There are 4 atoms. So this is polyatomic. Okay. Now we will write some examples for these cases. Monoatomic. Most of the noble gases like helium, only one atom. Then neon. Then metals like potassium. Okay. Now coming to diatomic, you can write what? Oxygen, nitrogen. Okay. Next, hydrogen. Now coming to triatomic. Have you heard about ozone? Ozone. What is the molecule of ozone? It is O3. 3 atoms of oxygen are combining to form a molecule of ozone. So this is what? Triatomic. Now coming under tetraatomic or polyatomic, means whichever molecules which has greater than 3 is known as polyatomic. See, examples are S8. Sulfur, the molecule of sulfur is S8. 8 atoms of sulfur combine to form a molecule of sulfur. Now P4. Okay. Then there are one more category known as fullerenes. 60 carbon atoms are combined to form a fullerene. So these are the different examples. Okay. So for exams, you might get question based on the topic atomicity. The question will be like, see, what is the atomicity of oxygen? So you have to think, what is the molecule of oxygen? Okay, the molecule of oxygen is written as O2. See, how many atoms are there? 2. So the answer is what? Diatomic. Now, what is the atomicity of argon? Argon is a noble gas. So it exists freely. There is only one atom. Answer is monoatomic. Now, what is the atomicity of sulfur? Sulfur is existing as S8. The molecule of sulfur is S8. So the answer is, number of atoms is more than 3. Answer is polyatomic. What is the atomicity of phosphorus molecule? So think, what is the molecule of phosphorus? It's P4. More than 3. Polyatomic or tetraatomic. If tetraatomic is given in the option, you can choose tetraatomic because 4 refers to tetra. If tetra is not there, then choose polyatomic. Okay. Now we will come to the next topic, molecular mass. Okay, molecular mass. What do you mean by molecular mass? Easy, it's the mass of a molecule. How do you find the mass of a molecule? To find the mass of a molecule, the sum of the atomic mass of the atoms present in the molecule is considered. So molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of the atoms present in the molecule. Okay, example, see, a molecule of water is given. How will you find the molecular mass of H2O? For that, you have to find the sum of the atomic masses of the atoms present inside. What are the atoms present? Hydrogen and oxygen. How many hydrogen is present? 2 hydrogen is present. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? It is 1U. So, since 2 atoms of hydrogen is present, you are multiplying 2 with 1U. Plus, how many atoms of oxygen is present? 1. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? It is 16U. What is the total? 2 into 1U. 2U plus 1 into 16U. 16U, which is equal to 18U. Is the molecular mass of water. So what is molecular mass? It is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule of that substance. Okay. Similarly, find, I'll give you some exercises. Find the molecular mass of Al2SO4. Okay, similarly find what is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. what are the atoms present? Carbon and oxygen. How many carbon? 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. How will you find number of carbon atoms present? 1 into mass of 1 carbon 12U plus how many atoms of oxygen? 2 into mass of 1 oxygen is 16U. 12U plus 32U equal to 44U is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. See, you have to by heart the atomic masses of different atoms. You will get that from the periodic table. What is atomic mass of hydrogen? It's 1U. Helium 4U. Lithium 7U. Beryllium 9U. Boron 11U. Carbon 12U. Nitrogen 14U. Okay, oxygen 16U. Then fluorine 19U. Neon 20U. Then sodium 23U. Magnesium 24U. Aluminium 26U. Silicon 28U. Okay, study at least till 20. Study these values at least till 20 so that it will be easy for you to calculate. How I calculated the previous thing, how I got the value of carbon, atomic mass of carbon is 12U. See, it's given. So study till atomic masses till 20, atomic number 20, till calcium you learn. Okay.